Hello my dear students. So today we will see exercise 2.3. So we are dealing with the chapter 2 and the name of the chapter is fractions and decimals. So here with you exercise 2.3. First question. See, in the first question we are dealing here the multiplication of the fractions. So 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. Both are the fractions. So 1 by 4 multiply 1 by 4. So numerator will multiply with numerator. 1 ones are 1 and 4 fours are 16. So answer will be 1 by 16. Same you have to find out the second part. 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. So you will write here 1 by 4 multiply 3 by 5, as the meaning of means multiplication. So 1 by 4 of 3 by 5 will give you 1 3s are 3 and 4 5s are 20. So like this you will solve next part also. In the next part 1 by 4 of 4 by 3 means 1 by 4 multiply 4 by 3. So this 4 will be cancelled with this 4 and your answer will be 1 by 3 only. Same now here in second part 1 by 7 of 2 by 9. So 1 by 7 of 2 by 9 you will get 2 by 7 9 is 63. So 2 by 63. Same you can do the B part. 1 by 7 multiply 6 by 5 and 1 by 7 multiply 3 by 10. So you can solve these questions by yourself. Very good. Now the second part. Here in second part we are dealing the same with the multiplication or product of the fractions, but here the one fraction is the proper fraction and the second fraction is mixed fraction. So to solve such kind of questions, what we do, first we convert the mixed fraction into improper fractions, and you all know very well how to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6 and then we will add the numerator. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. So 8 by 3. So that means if we solve we will get 2 by 3 multiply 8 by 3. And next nothing is going to be cancelled in numerator and denominator. So what you will do, 2 8s are 16 and 3 3s are 9. Now this 16 by 9, as you can check that the numerator is greater than the denominator. So that means it is an improper fraction, and always we leave an improper fraction into mixed fraction. So we will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. How we will convert? We will divide this 16 by 9. 9 ones are 9. 16 minus 9 7. So how we will write this as mixed fraction? 1 7 by 9. So 1 7 by 9, this will be your answer for this first part. Same second part. Now here multiplication of a proper fraction with another proper fraction. 2 by 7 multiply 7 by 9. So this 7 will be cancelled with this 7. So what will be the answer? 2 by 9. And in the third part, 3 by 8 multiply 6 by 4. So you will cut these 6 and 8 with the 2's table. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So what you will get the answer? 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So its answer will be 9 by 16. Same you can solve this question. 9 3s are 27, 5 5s are 25, 27 by 25 will be the answer. So rest part you all will solve. I have told you the way how to solve. Now the question number 3. Multiply the following fractions. Again the proper fraction multiplication with mixed fraction. You will convert this fraction. 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21 by 4. So 2 by 5, as you can see here, 2 by 5 multiply 21 by 4. But this 4 will be cancelled by this 2. 2 2s are 4. So what you will get? You will get 21 by 10. Again 21 by 10 is which fraction? Improper fraction. So you will convert it and you will get what? 10 2s are 20 plus 1 21 if you check it. So 21 by 10 will be written as 2 1 by 10. Now the second part, again this is a mixed fraction and this is a proper fraction. So you will convert this mixed fraction. 6 5s are 30 plus 2, 32 by 5. Multiply 7 by 9. If you multiply 32 by 7, you will get 2 to 4, and 5 9s are 45. Then you divide this 2 to 4 by 45. 45 4s are 180. You will get this remainder 44. So you will write it as a mixed fraction. First quotient, then remainder, and then divisor. So 444 by 45 will be your answer. The same way you all will solve these rest questions. Just convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction and then multiply. Now the next question number 4. 2 by 7 of 3 by 4, which is greater? 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8? As you all know, the meaning of means multiplication. Meaning of means multiplication. So here multiplication sign. We will write here multiplication sign. So when you will solve, 2 2s are 4. This 4 will be cancelled by this 2. So it will be 2 2s are 4. So what you will get? 3 by 7 2s are 4. You will get 3 by 14. And here 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. This 5 will be cancelled with this 5. And you will get 3 by 8. So as you know, you will compare the numerators. When numerators are same, then the fraction with the smaller denominator will be the bigger fraction. So what will be your answer? Which is greater? 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 14. Same second part you can solve. You will cut this 2 by this 2 3s are 6, and here this 3 will be cancelled by this 3. So this side you have 3 by 7 and this side you have 2 by 7. So we know when denominators are same, then the bigger numerator will be the bigger fraction. So 3 by 7 will be greater than 2 by 7. Now question number 5. Sahili plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 saplings, and the distance between two adjacent saplings is given 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. See, between the first and the last sapling. See, this distance 3 by 4. This distance also 3 by 4, and this distance also 3 by 4. So 3 times 3 by 4. 3 times 3 multiply 3 by 4. So you will get 9 by 4. But 9 by 4 is also an improper fraction. So you will convert it into mixed fraction. So you will get 2 1 by 4 meter. So the distance between first and the last sapling will be 2 and 1 by 4 meter. Next question number 6. Lipika reads a book for 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? You see, time taken by Lipika to read the book every day, 7 by 4 hours. Time taken in 6 days. How much time she will take in 6 days to read the book? So 7 by 4 multiply by 6. You can cut this 4 and 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So you will get 7 3s are 21 in the numerator, and in denominator you have 2. So 21 by 2. So 21 by 2 is an improper fraction, and you know very well to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So it will be 10 1 by 2 hours. So this is about your 6th question. Now the 7th. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 3 by 4 liters of petrol? See, you will write the statement. Always a statement sum, you will start with statement. And how you start the statement? You see what you have to find out. You have to find out how much distance. So you will start your statement by the word which you have to find out. So that means you will write distance covered by car in 1 liter petrol 16 km. So the distance covered by car using 3 by 4 liter of petrol. So it will be This is 2 3 by 4. This is a mixed fraction, so you will convert it. You will get 4 2 is 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. Multiply by 16. You will cut 4 4 is 16. So 11 4 is 44 kilometer. So you will write the answer that car will cover using 3 by 4 liters of petrol is equal to 44 kilometer. Now the last question, A part. Provide the number in the box such that 2 by 3 is equal to 10 by 30. See, what you will multiply with 2 so that you will get 10? 5. What you will multiply by 3 so that you will get 30? 10. So your answer in the box will be 5 by 10. Now it is asking the simplest form of the number obtained in the box. In the box you have 5 by 10 and the simplest form of 5 by 10 is easy. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So answer will be 1 by 2. B part, first question, provide the number in the box such that 3 by 5 is equal to 24 by 75. So you can do it. 3 multiply what you will get 24, 8. 5 multiply by what you will get 75, 15. So answer will be 8 by 15. And the simplest form of the number obtained is 8 by 15 is 8 by 15 only, because they have only common factor 1. So this was all about your exercise 2.3. So these questions you will solve which I have not done. Okay, bye, take care.